When it comes to home improvement, windows are a critical aspect of both the aesthetics and functionality of your home. They play a significant role in energy efficiency, curb appeal, noise reduction, and home security. In a place like Sanford, with its unique climate and community character, ensuring your windows are properly installed is vital. Here's why you should always choose licensed window installation for your home in Sanford. Professional expertise and training. Licensed window installers have undergone rigorous training and have demonstrated their skills by passing specific industry certifications. They stay updated on the latest techniques, safety practices, and technologies in window installation. This means you can rest assured that your windows are being handled by professionals with the know-how to execute flawless installations. By hiring licensed installers in Sanford, you can trust that they are well acquainted with the local building codes and regulations, minimizing the risk of compliance issues. Choosing an unlicensed installer or opting for a DIY approach may lead to improper installation, resulting in costly future repairs or even fines for non-compliance. Quality assurance and peace of mind. Licensed professionals guarantee their work. Many offer warranties on both the windows and their installation services, giving you peace of mind. This warranty coverage can be a lifesaver if issues arise later, saving you from unexpected expenses and stress. On the other hand, unlicensed installers rarely provide warranties. If something goes wrong, you may find yourself shouldering the cost of repair or even full replacement. When you hire licensed window installers in Sanford, you know you're working with professionals who stand by their work. Proper installation reduces energy costs. Sanford's warm, sunny climate can drive up energy bills, especially during summer months when air conditioning is running frequently. Improperly installed windows can lead to drafts, leaks, and poor insulation, making your HVAC system work harder and driving up your energy costs. Licensed window installers understand how to seal, insulate, and position windows for optimal energy efficiency. This results in lower energy bills and a more comfortable home, with consistent indoor temperatures and fewer drafts. Choosing a professional not only saves you money in the long run but also contributes to a greener and more sustainable environment. Enhanced home security. Windows are one of the most common entry points for burglars. Licensed window installers understand how to install windows to maximize security, using high-quality locks and ensuring a secure fit within the frame. They know which materials and locking mechanisms provide the best protection. By choosing a licensed installer, you can have peace of mind knowing that your windows are securely in place, providing a strong line of defense against potential intruders. Local knowledge and personalized service. Licensed window installers in Sanford know the specific challenges posed by the local climate, including heat, humidity, and the potential for severe weather. They can recommend the best window styles and materials for your home's specific needs, ensuring optimal performance and longevity. Moreover, licensed professionals are often part of the local community, meaning they care about their reputation and delivering great service to their neighbors. Their personalized service and attention to detail can make all the difference, leading to smoother projects and better outcomes. Safety first. Installing windows can be risky business, involving heavy glass panes, heights, and specialized tools. Licensed professionals adhere to safety regulations to minimize risks to themselves and to your property. Hiring an unlicensed installer or attempting a DIY project can expose you to accidents, injuries, and potential property damage. Increased property value. Quality window installation can significantly increase your home's value. Prospective buyers appreciate professionally installed windows that are energy efficient, aesthetically pleasing, and secure. When you work with a licensed installer, you're investing in the long-term value of your home, making it more attractive in the market. Conclusion. Choosing licensed window installation in Sanford isn't just a matter of compliance. It's about ensuring the quality, safety, and value of your home. From energy efficiency to enhanced security, local knowledge to warranties, licensed professionals bring expertise and peace of mind to every installation project. If you're considering window upgrades, don't cut corners, opt for a licensed installer and enjoy the benefits for years to come.